glad y'all here. I've been hearing something real weird in my house, man. I think it's haunted or something. I don't know. Don't look at me. I don't know what's up.
Look, I heard something. Follow me.
Let's go.
Oh my god, you hear that?
Hear what?
That.
That what?
That noise.
What noise?
Oh, Marky, are you filming this?
Go put your clothes on, you fat ass.
Yeah, you fat ass. Go put some clothes on. I thought I heard something, but it's just your fat ass waking up.
You, alright? I just woke up from a fucking nap. You gonna fucking film me? This is the... Go back. Fuck this shit.
Follow me. Stop.
What is it?
Shh. You hear that?
Hear what?
Let's go check.
Alright then. Ha 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 ha!